Hi, welcome to Vision classes. It's a classes for IGCSE, GCSE, AS and A level student. So today we have to discuss one of the interesting question from the May-June 2022 further pure math 1 question. Okay, so it's a invariant line concept. Here we have a question says that this question A, B, C or I have discussed in previous one of the video. Fine, you can just click on I section and you can watch that video. And here just we have a invariant line invariant point concept is there. We will discuss it in depthly, so we will discuss it with concept how to solve it. And this is 6 mark question. So here it says that find the set of values of k for which transformation in the xy plane represented by 2 1 k4 has two distinct invariant line through the origin. Firstly, here this invariant line concept, even though if reflected or enlarged, the point of origin doesn't changes. Fine, so here let's say for example we have a a b c d points are there, and invariant point through which we have to find out the line, that is t and mt. So m is the gradient basically, which is equal to t capital T. So this is conceptual part. Fine, and if you take the multiplication of these two vectors on the left hand side, this is horizontal vertical, so it's a at plus bmt o is equal to t we will get if you equate it both left hand side and right hand side, and then ct plus dmt is equal to m capital T. Now you have to take the ratios of this equation 1 and 2. If you take the ratios, we can cancel this t and t, and then this capital T get cancelled out, and we left with a plus bm over c plus dm is equal to 1 upon m. Now if you solve this one, we will get the value of m, and we can substitute in the y is equal to mx. Okay, and that gives us the equation of invariant line. So we will solve this question. So here we have a point, that is 2 1 k4. These points are given, and here we have a t mt is equal to capital T and mt, isn't it? And we have to solve this one here, so it will be 2t plus mt upon kt plus 4mt is equal to t upon mt. So t, d, all these t's get cancelled out. If you cancel out t, we will get the ratio as a 2 plus m upon k plus 4m is equal to 1 upon m. Now transfer m to the left hand side, it will be 2m plus m square is equal to this one. You have to take it to the right hand side, k plus 4m. So k plus 4m. Now you will get the quadratic equation. So write in the quadratic form, that is m square plus 2m minus 4m is minus 2m minus k is equal to 0. And this is quadratic equation we will get. And they are saying that here, if you read it properly, the two distinct invariant line through the origin. So two distinct line means it's a b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, isn't it? So we have to take b square minus 4ac greater than 0, and we have to solve it. So here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2, and c is equal to minus k. So b is minus 2 bracket square minus 4 times 1 times negative k greater than 0, right? And then it's a 4 plus 4k greater than 0. So it means the k is greater than negative 1. And these are the means set of values for which we will get the two distinct invariant line. I hope you understood this means invariant line concept. And you have a many different types of questions are there from the, if you check the past year papers. If you want to connect with us, I have left the contact in the description box. Thank you. That's it. Enjoy the math.